from the source, growing it yourself. You're decreasing your carbon footprint by eating more vegetables and fruits. You're decreasing the impact on the environment through animal agriculture. There's so many ways that growing your own food has a positive impact on the world. And I think the ethical aspect of small backyard gardening and small farming is something huge. You may be thinking, gosh, yes, I agree, gardening's great, but I don't have the right space to garden in. I live in an apartment or I'm renting a small townhome and the gardening area I have is really limited. And that's definitely a challenge, but there are so many people who are still renting property to garden. Maybe they're getting involved in a local community garden. They're container gardening on their balcony. They're starting with microgreens in their apartments. There's so many ways to get involved with gardening, even if you don't own the land. I even have a coworker that I've told that if they want to get involved with gardening, they can come here and they can start a little plot here on our property. Don't just discount the possibility of being able to garden and grow your own food if you don't own the land that the garden could be on, because there really are so many options to consider, and community gardening is an awesome way to get involved and to teach people in your community the benefits of gardening. Just a few days ago, we traumatically lost one of our hens. One of our first hens was killed by a predator pretty much right in front of me, and the next day I was feeling so sad, feeling really discouraged, and I was really down. And while I don't recommend spending money when you feel sad, not the best coping mechanism, I did go out and I bought some plants